Good morning. If you've ever been hiking or camping before, you've probably bumped into trail markers. Now, if you haven't, a trail marker is like what I have up here on the screen. It could be a sign, or it could be a signal painted on a tree. Um, but regardless, you'll find that when you get out into the woods, you have different paths going in different directions. Some of them might take you miles away from where you want to go. Some of them might take you on a nice little short walk. And the way that you know which trail you need to take to get where you want to is by paying attention to the trail markers. So, this week we're going to be talking about something that's a little bit like trail markers. And we're going to be talking about word problems. So if I've pulled up a word problem, like the couple that I have here, and I read through it, it says, assume that the number of hours Katie spent practicing soccer is represented by X. Michael practiced 4 more than 2 times the number of hours that Katie practiced. How long did Michael practice? And then the assignment would want us to convert or translate this word problem into a written out equation like this. Now this is a little bit like being in the woods and trying to find out where you want to go. We definitely have a destination. We definitely have a word problem, an equation that we can get out of this word problem. But how do we know what our equation is going to be? Well, just like the trail has trail markers that tell us a direction to go, this word problem is going to be filled with signal words or keywords that are going to give us some idea of what we should be doing. For instance, words like for more than, 4 hours more than, well, that would tell me, if I knew to look for it, that I need to add something. I need to add 4 hours to something. And I add it to 2 times, well, that would tell me multiplication. So, this week we're going to be working with word problems. And today what I want to do is I want to start going over our keywords so that we can have some more success as we go through problems later this week. So for today's assignment, I have put up this document, the keywords docx. And in this document, I have a word bank. On this first page, the word bank has words that are addition words and subtraction words. Some of the words in this will signal that you should add something. Some of the words will signal that you should subtract something. I want you to sort them into the correct spots on the tables. There will be 7 addition words and 7 subtraction words. When you finish with that, you're not done yet. You're going to go to the next page, and I have another word bank and table. This time for multiplication, division, and equal signs. Some of these words will signal that you should multiply. Some of them will tell you that you should divide. And some of them will mean that something equals something. You'll have 6 multiplication words, 6 division words, and 3 equal words. So today I want you to go through and answer these questions. Excuse me, they were just having an announcement. But what I want you to do is I want you to open up this worksheet. Go ahead and you can download the worksheet, or you can copy the table down onto a piece of paper. Write your answers in the correct spots on the table, and then you'll come back to our module for this week, and you'll submit your answers here in the keyword submission. So that's our work for today. I'll be checking it this afternoon or tomorrow morning, so please make sure you get it into me ASAP. We're going to be rolling this week. If you have any questions, as always, please email me, and you can always chime into our Zoom session. I hope you all have an excellent day, and I will look forward to seeing the work from you.